Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookies with self-raising flour. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line a baking tray. Cream butter and sugar until pale, then beat in egg and vanilla. Fold in self-raising flour and chocolate chips until just combined. Spoon dough into even balls and bake 10-12 minutes until golden at edges. Cool on a wire rack before serving warm with milk or coffee. Gather ingredients before you start to keep the recipe smooth and stress-free. Measure butter and sugars accurately and have eggs at room temperature. Use self-raising flour to skip separate baking powder, which simplifies mixing. Fold in chocolate chips last to avoid overworking the dough. Chill the dough for 15 minutes if it feels too soft, so cookies hold their shape during baking. Start by creaming butter and sugars until pale and fluffy to trap air for lift. Add eggs one at a time and mix in vanilla for even flavor. Fold in self-raising flour and chocolate chips gently to avoid developing gluten. Portion dough into uniform 1.5-inch balls and chill briefly if needed. Bake at 350 degrees F for 10-12 minutes until edges are golden, then cool on a rack to finish.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.